Go ahead.
Oh, Mr. Train! Oh, it's a train!
Oh, wow. Let me see.
My train!
Oh, wow. Can mommy see?
I can open this now.
Cool. Yeah.
I open this now.
We don't have these, do we?
More Thomas the Train!
Oh,
Thomas
it's
the
an
Train
ABC book. Look, it says ABC. Thomas's ABC book. Oh, C is for coaches. B is for Birdie.
Where's mine? And you got
Catch me,
this.
catch me. Wow, wee.
Wow.
You guys want to open these boxes?
Yeah. Yeah.
Who are they from?
These are for Mommy and Daddy. And not sure what kind of things get them open.
A book!
I don't know what's in here. Oh, wow.
Fireman! Oh, wow.
What did you think of that?
Yeah. My Power Rangers. Power Rangers. And my Power Ranger jacket.
Yeah.
Wow.
What did y'all think? You guys want to open one more? Something
Yeah.
like this pulled out.
My Power Ranger jacket.
Yeah.
I have a feeling you guys will be really excited about these.
What is this? My Power Ranger doobie. My Power Ranger doobie.
Oh boy, another Power Rangers?
Yeah.
I'm a Power Ranger doobie. A Hot Wheel.
I told you. We're on your Christmas list. You might get them.
I watch this one. Watch this one.
Well, we can only watch one. Which one you want to watch?
Power Ranger.
All right, look at this one. This is a Hot Wheels.
Open that. Mommy,